My name is Samantha.
Hi, I'm Buiry, and we are the black belts here at Teach Taekwondo. Today we also have a special guest. Her name is Kayla. She's one of the talented color belts here at TG. So today we are going to do Taeguk Jang. We'll be going over the fundamental basics of walking stance, front stance, punch, low block, middle block, and high block. And then we'll learn about front kicks, how to transition from your move to the second move with the front kick in between. Okay, let's begin. Okay, so we'll just start first with the fundamental basics that we went over in Taeguk Jang. First, the walking stance. As you can see, the walking stance is 1 foot distance, and when you face forward, it is about a fist in between our feet. Okay, next the front stance. Remember, the distance is going to be about 2.5 to 3 feet in between, and when you face forward, it is about a small trapeze stance in between. And next, the punch. So remember, the chamber will look like this. Hand relaxed, starting at your belt, and then as you punch forward and at your solar plexus. And the middle block, so you chamber hand in front of you, relaxed, hand behind you at a 90 degrees angle behind your head with your fist facing outwards, and the block, stopping at your solar plexus. And lastly, the high block. So your chambering hand with your thumb in front of your mouth, your chambering hand wrapped around you on your belt with your pinkie, then you block, and if you look to the side, it is at an angle from our head, not directly above or directly in front. When you go back forward, it is at an angle, not completely straight. And now we're going to teach you the front kick transition part of Taeguk Jang. So watch first as Samantha demonstrates. Starting from low block, front kick, and punch. There are 3 important things I would like to teach you today. Number 1 is keeping your arms in. When you kick, bring your arms in into fist at your solar plexus or stomach level and kick. That's number 1. If you go back, number 2 is after you kick, right as you chamber, you're going to chamber your arm for your fist. Ready? Front kick, chamber, and punch. One more time. Starting from low block, front kick, chamber, punch. Number 3 is landing and punching at the same time. So front kick, chamber, and punch and land same time. So overall, 3 things. Watch, arms in, kick, chamber, land at the same time. And now we're going to watch Kayla as she does the full form of Taeguk Jang. So watch closely as she does the walking stance, front stance, punch, low block, middle block, and high block. But also watch as she does her front kicks. Watch as she brings her arms in, chambers, and after she kicks, lands and punches at the same time. 차렷! 경례! 준비! 시작! 차렷! 경례!